My dearest child, your light is seen, your heart is known, your soul is cherished by more people than you might imagine. If you knew how many others have been touched in wonderful ways by you, you would be astonished. If you knew how many people feel so much for you, you would be shocked. You are far more wonderful than you think you are. Rest with that. Rest easy with that. Breathe again. You are doing fine. More than fine. Better than fine. You are doing great. So relax and love yourself today. This message is appearing to you today because you are ready. You have done the inner work. You have worked on those plans long enough. It's time to turn them into a reality. It is time to start believing in yourself and your dreams. It is time to rise above your limitations and fears. No more talking yourself out of taking action. It is time to reveal your talents to the world. No more living a sheltered life. It's time to step out of the shadows and into the spotlight. Stop denying your magnificence to yourself and others. Rise up. Claim your greatness and power. You are ready. A new chapter has been hovering over you for a long period of time. The door you have been looking for will finally be revealed. You won't be waiting much longer now. The universe is eager to show you the blessings it has made for you. You are in the final stage of another transformative chapter. Smile knowing it's all coming to a peaceful end. The lessons you needed to learn are now ingrained permanently in your mind. The habits you needed to kick are now a memory of your past. The energies you needed to let go of have been released from your mind, heart and spirit. These final moments before you ascend requires the utmost faith, patience and humility from your soul. Prepare to be amazed. The warrior in you has earned its divine surprise. What's waiting on the other side of that door for you is beyond anything you have ever visualized. Something beautiful happens when you stop waiting to be chosen and instead choose yourself. When you love yourself first, when you can be alone with the shape of yourself, when you stop running away from your truth, the right people start to show up. The right opportunities suddenly align. All the hustling you were doing, trying to make yourself more worthy, stop feeling right, and instead you get into the flow of life. And everything you thought you had to earn and strive for seems to come a lot more easily. When you choose you, everything and everyone has to rise to that level. And all the good things you thought you had have to force arrive in perfect timing. Yes, you need to show up. Yes, you need to work. But it will be with the right people, the right opportunities, and the kind of life that lights you up from the inside, because you are lit up from the inside. You don't need a certain amount of friends, followers, likes or anything else to be worthy in this world. Don't look for approval anywhere but within. The opinion of the world really doesn't matter. Some will like you and some may not, and some will constantly change their mind about you. Just keep living your life with good intentions and an open heart. Give yourself the time you need, the break you need from people, from work, from things that make you exhausted. You are not meant to know everything at once. You are not meant to understand why bad things happen while they are happening. Why things hurt the way they hurt, at least not in the beginning. At least not in the beginning. You need to be patient with yourself and with your heart. You need to understand that with experience comes growth, that with pain comes the appreciations of love. A flower starts as a seed, and that same seed is capable of sprouting an entire garden, and this is the metaphor of life. To be a flower, to be soft, to be gentle, and to bloom at your own pace, to plant yourself where you want to stand firmly and to grow. Type Amen in the comment box if you believe in God.